Hello dear students, today we learn Heron formula. In a scalene triangle, if the length of each side is given but its height is not known and it cannot be obtained easily, we take the help of Heron formula or Hero's formula given by the Heron to find the area of such a triangle. And we know that uh, triangle's area ABC equal to triangle of ABC area equal to 1 by 2 into base BC into altitude H. This is the area of triangle, but Heron formula is used only scalene triangles when we know not known the height of triangle. So we have used this formula for area of a triangles. And Heron formula if A, B and C denote the length of the sides of a triangle ABC. If a triangle of ABC's lengths sides lengths are A, B, C, then area of triangle ABC equal to under root S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Here where S equal to A plus B plus C, these are the length of the triangle ABC, and A plus B plus C by 2 is the semi-parameter of triangle ABC. And how to use the Heron formula? This is the one question. Here sides A, B, C are A equal to 13 cm and B equal to 14 cm and C equal to 15 cm. Okay, then we use the Heron formula, and here parameter S equal to A plus B plus C and semi parameter is equal to by 2. Then 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2 equal to 13 plus 14 27 and 42 by 2 equal to 21 is the semi parameter of triangle ABC, and we have used the formula. Then area of triangle ABC equal to under the root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. We have put the value of A, B, C. The S equal to 21 and S equal to 21 and S minus A equal to 21 minus 13 equal to 8, and S minus B, S equal to 21 and B equal to 14, then remaining 7, and S minus C 21 minus 8 6. Now we have written the easily form of this term. 21 equal to 7 into 3 and 8 into 7 and 6 equal to 2 into 3. Then we have written that 7 into 3 into 8 into 7 and 2 into 3. Now this is the form of square form. Some 7 square into 4 square into 3 square. Then this is the rule form. Now solve again. 7 into 4 into 3 equal to 84 cm square is this answer of the this question. And triangle area of triangle is 84 centimeter square. This is the answer. Thank you. Now solve this question related to the Heron formula. Here calculate the area of the shaded region portion as shown in the figure. ठीक है, तो इसमें पी एस क्यू को गौर से देखते हैं तो हमें मालूम चलता है कि एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है। तो यहाँ पे जो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है वो क्या है, पी एस ट्राइंगल, पी एस क्यू इज द राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, इज द राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। ठीक है, तो इसके बाद में हमारे पास में पी क्यू जो लेंथ है वो नॉन नहीं है, हम नहीं जानते उसके बारे में पी क्यू लेंथ क्या है। तो हम सबसे पहले पी क्यू लेंथ को निकालने के लिए पी क्यू को सॉल्व करते हैं, पी क्यू निकालते हैं। तो पी क्यू निकालने के लिए हमें पता है पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, हेयर पी क्यू इज द हाइपोटेन्यूज, तो पी क्यू स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू पी एस स्क्वायर प्लस एस क्यू स्क्वायर एंड पी एस इक्वल टू 12 सेंटीमीटर प्लस क्यू एस इक्वल टू 16 सेंटीमीटर, देन 144 प्लस 2 9 2 5 6 and the sum of these values is 400, then pq square and pq equal to root of 400 equal to 20 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ अब हमें मालूम चल गया है कि पी क्यू इक्वल टू 20 सेंटीमीटर है। अगेन बट दिस ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर is not a right angle triangle, so we know the area of the this triangle PQR is known by Heron formula, so use the Heron formula in this case। तो S equal to a plus b plus c by 2, this is the semi perimeter of the triangle। Now 52 plus 48 plus 20 by 2 equal to 72 or 72 8 80 80 120 120 by 2 equal to 60 cm is the semi perimeter of the triangle PQR, and area of area of triangle PQR is put the values, the formula of s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, so s equal to 60 cm and s minus a equal to s minus a, then 60 minus 52 equal to 8 cm and 60 minus 48 equal to 12 cm and 60 minus 20 equal to 40 cm। now solve this equation and solve the equation easily form the 6 into 10 60 into 10 into 14 plus into 6 into 2 equal to 12 into 8। now again solve 6 square 10 square and 4 to the 8 square, solve this equation। तो 6 into 10 equal into 8 equal to 480 cm square is the area of the triangle PQR, but here only find that the shaded region, so the right angle triangle area is subtract in triangle PQR area, so area of triangle PQR minus area of triangle PSQ equal to, but area of triangle PSQ is not known, so we have find the area of triangle PSQ, and PSQ is the right angle triangle, so PSQ triangle area of triangle PSQ is 1 by 2 into its the base 12 into its height equal to 16, then 96 cm square is the area of right angle triangle PSQ, so 480 minus 96, then remaining 384 cm square, answer the shaded region area। now new question, calculate the area of the shaded region in the given figure। ABC is a triangle and BOC internal triangle of the same base BC, but find the area of shaded region. So first of all we have find the area of triangle ABC minus शेडेड रीजन के लिए हमें करना होगा ट्रायंगल BOC का जो एरिया निकालेंगे उसे हम सब माइनस करेंगे, तब जाके हमें शेडेड रीजन का एरिया मालूम चलेगा। ठीक है, तो इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें दो पैरामीटर्स, दो सेमी पैरामीटर निकालने पड़ेंगे ट्रायंगल्स के। तो पहला जो सेमी पैरामीटर निकालना पड़ेगा तो वो जो साइड्स हैं वो कौन सी रहेंगी, 120 मीटर ए एंड बी इक्वल टू 122 मीटर एंड सी इक्वल टू 22 meter. This is the common side because this is the base of the triangle ABC and triangle BOC. Now तो S इक्वल टू A प्लस B प्लस C बाई 2 इक्वल टू 120 प्लस 122 प्लस 22 बाई 2 इक्वल टू 132 मीटर। नाउ हेयर A इक्वल टू, ये ट्राइंगल कौन सा है, ये ट्राइंगल ABC from triangle ABC and now triangle BOC A equal to 24 meter, B equal to 26 meter and C equal to 22 meter. This is the common side because this is the base of triangle ABC and triangle BOC. Now S equal to 24 plus 26 plus 22 by 2 equal to 36 meter. Now use the formula of Heron formula. Area of triangle ABC equal to S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. And now area of triangle BOC equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, and put the value of A, B, C and S. 132 is the S value and S minus A equal to 12 and S minus B equal to 10 and S minus C equal to 110. Now here put the value of S 36 and S minus A equal to 12 and S minus B equal to 10 and S minus C equal to 14. Okay, now in this equation 132, 12, 10 and 110, then easy form of this step 12 into 11 into 10 into 11 into 10 then and 12, because this is the 12 and 132 equal to 12 into 11. Now this is the 12 square into 11 square into 10 square. Now again solve. This is the 132 and 0. 12 into 11 equal to 132 into 10 equal to 132 meter square. Now again solve this equation. 12 into 12 into 3 into 10 into 7 into 2. Then solve this equation 12. Again solve easy form 12 into 12 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 2. This is the not proper square, so some elements are common, 12 and 2, then some numbers 12 into 2 is square, so under root form, so 24 common and 3, 5 and 7, this is the 105. Then remaining of area is the triangle of BOC is the 24 under root 105 meter square. Now the shaded, we have find only the shaded region of the triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BOC equal to 1320 minus 246 meter square equal to 1074 meter square is the answer of this question, because 24 into 105 is the unshaded part area. Then this is the, and this root is approximately 10.25. Then now solve, this is the answer. So 1074 is the shaded part region area. Okay.